How to add a scroll effect on your Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how we can add multiple or one scroll effect on our Wix website. It could be to different strips, and we can just select as many as we actually want, as long as it is actually compatible. And I will show you how that actually works. So first, you will need to just go ahead and open up your Wix website, and then from here, you want to just go ahead and click on Edit Site. Now, this is a very cool option that Wix does offer you to do. And it is actually native from Wix itself, so we don't really have to install a third-party application in order to achieve this. So let's just go ahead and wait for this to load, and I will show you exactly how to achieve this. So first, once you open up your site editor, and also don't mind how my site looks like. This is just for videos like this, and I do a lot of testing with this site. It's not for looking good, anyways. So go ahead and locate the section that you want to create that scroll effect on. So your Wix website is made up of different strips, sections, and so on. So you'll need to just go ahead and select whichever one that you actually want to add the scroll effect on. Let's say I wanted to add it to this main section, okay? So it really could be to any section, but as long as it is compatible. Now, I'm not sure what makes it compatible or not, but sometimes it does appear, sometimes it does not. Anyways, so let's say I just want to get started with this. So you want to just highlight the entire section, and then these settings should pop up for you. Change background, edit a quick edit, and so on. The one that we actually want is this one, which is background scroll effects. It looks like, a bunch of diamonds here. So just go ahead and click on that. And then you have two different options, whether it's going to be fade in or fade out. And you can actually choose whichever one that you actually want. So for fade in, it's going to start first, but for the fade out is once you actually scroll down further, it's going to start the effect. I'll show you both here. So let's just go ahead and select this one. And actually to preview it, you can just preview it from here. You would want to click on save. And then after it is saved, you want to click on preview. And now it should actually work. So if we just scroll down, it should create that effect. Now it does create the effect, but it is not visible because it's the front or the main page. So let's just go back and apply it to a different section. Here I'm just going to remove it first. Let's just remove it and go down to another section, for example this one. Again, just go ahead and click on it, click on add visible background. Okay, so this one does not actually work. You can see it is turned off. So let's just try this one instead. Again, does not work. Hopefully this one does. And it does not, and this does not, and this does not, and this, hopefully this one does. Okay, this one does. So let's just go ahead and use this one. Now, to be honest, I'm not sure what works and what not, what does not work, but you may want to just go ahead and figure things out. I believe strips are the most reliable ones. So if you want to add any elements, try to add a strip first, and then add an element, and then you can just go ahead and try out the scroll. So again, just go to save and preview one more time just to show you now that this is going to actually work. So if we scroll down, this is, you can actually see the fade in effect to it. And if we just go back to editor and let's just switch it back to fade out, for example, you want to click on it, make it fade out, and save and preview. And once it actually previews, we can actually see it does fade out at the top here. So this is all there is to it with Wix website. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.